You crank me up, and we are out of here.
Let me drop down. I'll grab the paint.
You don't have fingers, Marty.
No? Oh, do it? No.
These are things a leader has to think of.
Why should you be a leader? Why not me?
Because I'm the phase tracker. The king is lead.
How did I get phased out?
You're part of a phase. And phase isn't something you own. It's something you're in.
That's it.
Who voted you Grand Phase Master anyway?
Me. I voted me, because I'm the leader.
Nah.
That's it, baby.
No. The king of Versailles wins. You got it.
Maybe I should be in charge. I am a doctor. No.
Why can't we all be leaders?
Enough! I'm gonna leave.
Aha! What's new, pussycat?
Whoa.
Marty, what phase are we at?
The phase 3. Apologize.
Right. Oh, man, we are so sorry.
An apology accepted. Let's roll.
Marty, we skipped phase 2. You didn't chew them out.
Oh, look at me. Fucking following the leader.
I'm a bit busy right now.
Get all my sweat.
Okay, fine.
What the heck is going on with the lights?
No, it's never what you want. Well, you really want. Oh, it's never you really want. Gonna. I wanna.
What are you doing? Come on.
Initiate lockdown. And get me Captain Dubois from Animal Control.
Aliwa. Enjoy it.
A lion? When I was 7, I straddled my first parrot, flushed my first goldfish, punched my first snake. Now, I have finally reached the moment I have been preparing for my entire life. The pinnacle of my career. To what? The king of the beast.
All right, everybody, stand back. I got this.
Never mind.